Okay, so now we have got the roof on top. Crane has lifted them up. There is still some plates to go on the top and between each one to hold them in a consistent manner. So that's what those plates there are for. I'll demonstrate on how all that goes in a minute. There is little down pipes that will be going in the corner, so I'll be showing on how all that sort of goes. Okay, so now I'm going to be demonstrating how to put these pipes in. Little down pipes that connect from that little dropper down, come down and go through the floor there. That's on every single corner. That in like that. You should be able to just bend and put those in. See how it bends out? And then they just go on. Just sit in like that. Okay. So I'll do that for all of them. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate on how these plates here go up and on top, and they sort of hold them together. They need a strap just to pull them in, but you should see how that all goes. There we go. Okay, so first of all, set up these bolts like that. Hopefully you can see in there, so the plates spin and sit side on. Okay. And then Allen key. Continuation of the top plates, those ones there went on alright. This one here was actually, the two walls were sitting off, so what we did is we have set up a brace to brace and pull one over so they're flush. Mike is going to be separating them, because if you look, they're not in line going up, so he's just going to pull them apart, and then we're going to put the plate on. We're going to measure the bottom and make it the same up the top, so it's all the same. Those two actually went in perfectly. This one here is a bit different. It's running uneven, so I'm just going to pull that up a bit tighter. Can you open it up a bit more, mate? Okay, hold it there. All done. Plates on, nice and even.
Okay, for these I'm putting corner plates on to make sure that these are on the outside. This has to be on the outside. When you put it in, it has to be a bit low so you can get the washer. You can sit it straight in like that.